Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how you're gonna get free skins in League of Legends. And before we roll, I just wanna tell you that I have used this program for a lot of years, man, and I have never had a ban, so you shouldn't have a problem with this. So the first step is to open your Google and simply type lol skim. You can call it what you want, and simply the first one, gonna press it, and then you're simply gonna scroll down until you find the yellow button. Simply gonna download that. The next step is to simply extract the file. So here you go, and I can show you like how you're gonna activate it. Okay, so here we have like a custom game. So I'm gonna press start game. I added like 5 bucks to it. And let's say I wanna pick Yasuo, right? Gonna pick him. So I can prove like I have no skins to him. So I'm gonna activate the Blood Moon Yasuo. You can see I have it activated successfully. Boom. So Blood Moon Yasuo. Yeah, so you can like see it works like perfectly enough. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time, bro.